Are you ready for a hair transformation that will leave everyone speechless? Imagine taking your dark brown locks to a whole new level with a warm, honey cream balayage that shines with every movement. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve a stunning level 7 lift that adds depth, dimension, and a touch of elegance to your long, thin hair. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this ultimate makeover journey. My lovely friend has a beautiful two-toned hair color, chocolate brown on the top and honey brown on the bottom. To start her balayage, we're going to use the back-to-back technique. As shown in the picture, we section the hair evenly into slices on the right, left, and middle parts. Then, we mix blue bleaching powder with a 6% oxidant and start applying the mixture to the hair. As you can see in the image, we push the hair from the bottom third all the way up to the roots using the pushing technique. This means we divide the hair into 3 parts and begin pushing from the lower third. We carefully push the bottom section and ensure the bleach is applied evenly up to the pushed area. After a 45-minute processing time, we take our lovely friend to the wash station to thoroughly rinse her hair. The next step is to carefully remove the pushed sections. We coat the pushed sections with conditioner to soften the hair and make it easier to detangle, especially for those with very fine hair, which can be trickier to detangle compared to thicker hair. That's why it's best to use acidic masks or acidic conditioners and leave them on the pushed sections for a little while to make the detangling process smoother. After we've removed the pushes from our lovely friend's hair, we thoroughly wash the entire scalp to the ends using a shampoo. It's best to do this layer by layer to ensure there's no residue of hair mask or conditioner cream left. And to open the hair cuticles for better absorption of the toner, which is our next step. If you're loving these unique hair tips that you won't find on bigger channels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and support my journey as I grow this channel from scratch. I'm sharing insider secrets and tips every week, with 3 new videos packed with educational content and fun challenges. Don't miss out on the next one. Subscribe now and join our amazing community. At this stage, we're preparing our hair color as we've typed out for you in the video on the corner of the screen. We mix this formula with a 20-volume oxidant and water and blend them well together. After that, we apply the hair color mixture onto the bleached sections using our technique, making sure to thoroughly saturate all the layers. We leave it on our lovely friend's hair for about 15 minutes. The processing time can be anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, and after that, we rinse the hair completely. It's best to acidify the hair after rinsing out all the hair color, which can be done using an acidic conditioner cream or masks. If you're curious to learn all the secrets of balayage and take your hair game to the next level, I've got another video just for you. Click the link at the top of the screen to watch it now. Don't miss out on these expert tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also love a stunning hair transformation. Every like, comment, and share helps me grow this channel and continue bringing you more amazing content. Thank you so much for your support. In this stage, after rinsing, what we can do is dry the hair and give it a beautiful and attractive style. Here, my wonderful colleagues will fully dry and style the hair. And here you have it, a gorgeous, girly color for her. This technique is known as the honey caramel balayage technique. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video inspiring and helpful for your next hair journey. If you loved what you saw, please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more incredible hair transformations and tutorials. Your support truly makes all the difference. And if you're excited to learn about this year's hottest hair color trends, I've got another tutorial ready for you. Just click the link at the end of this video to watch it. Can't wait to see you there. Stay fabulous and keep shining.